Are you still wasting hours manually copy-pasting data from invoices, emails, and PDFs into your spreadsheets? What if you could automate that entire process using simple, plain English? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at Parser, an AI-powered document parser and data extraction tool that promises to completely eliminate manual data entry. Here is how it works. Parser acts as a bridge between your messy documents and the tools your team already uses. You can send documents to Parser from almost anywhere, whether you drag and drop them into the web app, forward them to a dedicated Parser email address, or push them in using an API or integrations like Zapier, Make, and N8N. Once your document is in, Parser's AI engine uses Vision AI to read it. The best part? You don't need to be a developer or write complex code to extract the data. You literally just name the fields you want to extract in plain English, like invoice total or due date, and the AI automatically pulls that data out regardless of the document's layout. According to Parser, their customers saved an average of up to 152 hours of manual data entry every single month in 2025. That is a massive chunk of time you could be spending on growing your business instead of typing numbers into a spreadsheet. Plus, they offer a visual web app for operations teams and a robust API for developers, making it highly flexible. Now, let's talk about user feedback. To keep this review completely honest, we don't have access to a large pool of external user reviews or third-party complaints for Parser in our current research. While the official features look incredibly promising, simple, and highly automated, we always recommend starting with a free trial or a small batch of documents to see how their Vision AI handles your specific, unique document layouts before fully committing. If you're tired of losing your evenings to manual data entry, Parser is definitely worth checking out to see if it can streamline your workflow. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to handle your data entry? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. See you in the next video.